Let's listen to beginning sounds. Listen, listen, little sounds. Beginning sounds are all around. Cookie, camera, camel too. You'll know just what to do. Listen, listen, little sounds. Beginning sounds are all around. Camel, cookie, camera. Beginning sounds are all around. Mirror, milk, mop too. You'll know just what to do. Listen, listen, little sounds. Beginning sounds are all around. Mop, milk, mirror. Beginning sounds are all around. Notebook, nose, necklace too. You'll know just what to do. Beginning sounds are all around. Listen, listen, little sound. Beginning sounds are all around. Pickle, paint, and pig too. You'll know just what to do. Listen, listen, little sounds. Beginning sounds are all around. Pickle, paint, pig. I heard the Beginning sounds are all around. Apple, alligator, ant too. You'll know just what to do. Listen, listen, little sounds. Beginning sounds are all around. Apple, alligator, ant. I heard the a. Let's talk about vowels. Vowels are our superheroes. They have a special superpower because they have a short sound, but they also can say their own name. Our vowels are inside our alphabet, and there are 5 of them. A and E and I, O, U. I can say the vowels for you. A and E and I, O, U. You can say them too. Let's try it together. A and E and I, O, U. I can say the vowels for you. A and E and I, O, U. You can say them too. I brought some special words today for us to listen. And inside these words, the vowels are doing their superhero power because they are saying their own name. So we are going to use our phonemers on our chin to listen to those phonemes. And remember, phonemes are the sounds inside the words. But we're also going to stretch the words and maybe even sing them so we can hear that vowel really doing its superhero power. All right, here is my first word. My first word is 5. Five. Let's stretch it out. Let's sing it. 5. Did you hear that I saying its own name? That's how I know it's doing its superhero power. All right, my next word is time. Time. Let's stretch it out. I'm. Now let's sing it. Time. Did you hear that I saying its own name? There's a super special reason why he's doing that, and I can't wait to really dig into that and teach you all about it. Let's do another word. The word is bake. B-A-K. Bake. Let's stretch it out. Bake. Now let's sing it. Bake. Just like the opera singer. Did you hear that vowel saying its own name? The A is a vowel, and that means it has a superhero power because it can say its own name. All right, our last word that we're going to listen to with our superheroes right now is the word tape. T-A-P. Tape. Now let's go ahead and stretch it out. Tape. Now let's sing it. Tape. Fantastic. I heard that A again, and A is a vowel, so the A can do something special that the other letters can't do. The A is a vowel and can say its own name. That's its superhero power.